Hi everyone, welcome back to Guided by Star. I'm Star. In this video, I share with you how to make cinnamon pancakes that are dairy-free. I like to use the Bob Red Mills brand, this gluten-free pancake mix, and it's very delicious and it's quick and easy. I like to just add water or oat milk or coconut milk depending on how I'm feeling for the day, and today I decided to use water. I didn't measure, but I did about a cup full, and then I like to use maca root powder. A maca root powder is very good for high fiber content, energy boosting, focus. It helps alleviate any stress you may have. It increases fertility, any milk production if you are pregnant. Cinnamon is also good, and flax seeds help with kind of like the consistency of the pancakes. So it's like an egg alternative, and it's also good and high in antioxidants and many vitamins and nutrients as well. Just want to give that a stir and have your hand heat up. Now I use a dairy-free butter, and you just want to add your pancake into the pot and then let that simmer. Usually a rule of thumb is waiting till it gets some bubbles on top like so, get some holes in it. I like to give it a swirl, make sure I get all the butter on both sides, and I like my ends to be nice and crispy but fluffy on the inside. Just give that a flip, and there you have it. 3 nice pancakes. I like to add banana on top, because banana also is good for potassium and good for fiber, and it helps with the bloating and digestion, and it helps you stay fuller throughout the day. So this is a nice hearty breakfast that is very good and healthy for you, and nobody would ever know the powder mixtures that you put inside. I'd like to top it off with chia seeds for the omega-3 and fiber content, as well as watch more nutrients loaded into. A little bit more cinnamon, and I like to drizzle with my favorite blue agave dressing. I get this brand from Whole Foods, and a little goes a long way. And there you have it, topped with some mixed nuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, whatever you have you can do. And I like to do dry cranberries as well. If the video was helpful, give a thumbs up and drop me a comment and subscribe for more videos. I'll talk to you soon.